Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to enhance labs biome nodes to whole new level because as you can try the labs biome nodes are in beta state but they are pretty limited now because you have only three attributes which are hard-coded to the code, and you have just name and two average temperature and precipitation attributes, and it's all. You cannot add nothing more. So we will make the whole new HDA what will be similar to this one, but we'll have more attributes, and you will be there will be possible that you can add as much attributes as you want, because we will create the whole new HDA which will store the templates, and the templates HDA will save the attributes which will be automatically created for you. So for example, I have these three biomes, and if I can see the geometry spreadsheet, I have, for example, name and some another integer or floats attributes. So, for example, I will decide later in project that I need another string attributes in my project. I will create the attribute, how this attribute will name. It will be name tool, for example. I will export the JSON to template, and in this labs biome profile, what we will call biomes attribute define, I will just reload the template. You can see there is only one string. I click reload template. I click load profile. And doesn't matter that this profile doesn't have these new attributes, because this HDA will automatically create the new ones which are not presented, or scrap old ones which are presented but not anymore presented in the template. So uh, it's this HDAs will be a lot of powerful and very scalable. So now I can name this attribute move, and the beach B, and woodland wood. I will save profile, and this biome initials. I have a new button which is recook, and if I check this result, I have new parameter biome name too, which have woo, be, and mo. So very, very powerful. So let's get started.